Hey guys, welcome back. As you guys saw previously, this roof on this thing is out of whack. So I got a heat gun. You can see how far off that is. I got a heat gun and alright, so I made these rubber band clamps to put on this thing. They're a little bit of a pain to get on, but they do what they need. They do what they need to do. Remember I told you about that light? We might be taking that off and making something for that. So I'm really not happy with the way that's been coming out. It's been popping off and everything, so it's been really annoying. So there's that one. So I hope these rubber bands got enough life in them. There. That was my fault, and that was a bad knot. Alright guys, so it stopped recording for some reason again, but alright, whatever. This thing is a disaster. I'm probably gonna make something. I have some older stuff around that I'm gonna try using. So I got this on, a little difficult. Then one of the bands broke, so I had to fix that. But my idea is I'm gonna use this heat gun, and I'm gonna heat this top up. I'm gonna stay off this piece. I don't want to heat this up because I want this to stay nice and flat. But I'm gonna try heating this a little bit, and then this a little bit. So we'll see. I'm just hoping I don't melt the mono. I thought I had kite string. I couldn't find the kite string, so I'm stuck using the monofilament. Well, we're gonna let that cool off and see what happens. All right, we'll give it a couple minutes. All right, guys, just cooled down a little bit. So I'll pop these bands off. They stretched out. It got hot then, but it stretched that monofilament out. Oh, that looks like it worked, which is awesome sauce because I was figuring I was going to do this a couple of times. That's it. That's the end of the video. It works. Look at that. Perfect. Wow. All right. Thanks for watching Jack on Tracks. Like and subscribe. Hit that notification button. And as always, catch you later.